The walls are down. The walls are down. Wow. Oh my. Good morning. Good morning. Have a good day, sir.
Thank you too.
The walls are down. I'm blown away. Welcome to EPCOT. I should have been making a video of this first, but I wanted to go live. Hit that share button. This is a huge, huge day for us. The statue's right up here. The walls are down. What? Daisy. What? Why is this so emotional? Look at this. Wow. Never thought you'd see this day, right? What? We're gonna ride Guardians twice today, but I'm just soaking this in. I really should have shot a video first. Good morning, everybody. I'm sorry, I'm taking this in for the first time. Now, that's Communal Core Hall over there. Okay?
Even 3 bucks was fine.
Unbelievable. The walls are down. I'm freaking out over here. Look at this, all the seating. Yoey and I have our name on a beam up here somewhere. But so this is Communal Core Hall. Look at this. So all this seating, so all this relaxation area, right? Like this is supposed to be like a garden. This is awesome. I'm gonna go loop around in a second here. I really should have posted the video, but I was too excited to go live. Good morning, everybody. Give me a moment. Look at this. Look at this. Unbelievable. This feels so weird. Hold on. I got to take a picture with my other phone. Sorry. Stand by.
This one. I think it's all together.
Wow. Look at this. The statue's right up there. Good morning, everybody. Today's a huge day for Live Fest. We should be in the top 3 today. I know I said that yesterday. It's just a math game. The math is absolutely mathing, so don't worry about that. But right now, look at this. Good morning, everybody. Hi, Sarah. They're letting people in a little early because of this exciting moment here in the history of EPCOT. I mean, this is huge. These walls have been up for 40 years. That's a joke, but it felt like 40 years. I wasn't going in there.
There's a much better photo if you wanted to head down
Thank
here.
you.
Yeah.
Have a great day.
I don't know.
Good morning. This looks amazing. I love, you can hear the cast members, like the reactions. This is stunning. Stand by, I just got to post a photo on my other phone, okay? Stand by, please. Good morning, everybody. Stand by. I'm just posting. I can't even believe. Look at this. Look at this. Good morning, Tom. Good morning, everybody. You know, it's moments like this, I don't even really care about rushing to get a video. I just posted a photo. Like, okay, yeah, views, clout, who cares? I'm soaking this in. This is nuts. And then you have, so look at this. So there's, these walls were up here, right? So there's Spaceship Earth. There's the cart from Moana. That'll be your way over to Journey of Water and the meet and greet. I also have really great news, by the way. I didn't even share some amazing news with you. I didn't even share some really amazing news. I got an email from TikTok last night. We are being featured in the live spotlight Sunday across the entire app, across the globe. I'll get a picture later. I'm going to be here all day. These just look like sculptures, really. There's speakers up there. Late last night, I got an email, from TikTok inviting me to be featured Sunday across the app. I'm just loving hearing the cast members. This must feel so amazing.
Really does.
I'm loving seeing all the smiles on all your faces. So thank you for this. No, thank you. This is so great. Wow. Thank you. Have a great day.
Absolutely.
Appreciate you all. Thank you. Thank you. Wow. And then look, you have like all the seating over here. So this is going to be Communal Core Hall back here, right? But you have all the seating, and it looks like you have charging stations, you know? And like, I'm just spinning it. The walls are down in EPCOT. And that's what this is, Gabby. So you got charging stations over here. I mean, this is just very, very chill. Ooh, nice. All right. Look at that. This is a huge day for Live Fest, by the way. Huge day. I barely slept. Huge day for Live Fest. Especially with this feature coming up Sunday. We're gonna rock it today.
Let me walk
Look at
you
this.
through our locations.
Good morning, everybody. Please start sharing the live. Please start sharing the live.
Should be a celebration.
It's going to be a great year.
You got to figure it out. Okay. Because we couldn't get it this morning.
Good morning. I find this to be very emotional because when you think not just how long this has been, but those cast members. That was Imagineering I was just talking to. You know, how much hard work they put into this, how long they've wanted this to happen, how the pandemic slowed this down. This is just amazing. What dishes? I'll show you. We are number 6. Oh. Just ignore the dishes. It's not even a real dish. Here's the statue. Let's go right back up to the statue. This is so amazing to see. And just again, I'm overhearing conversations from Imagineering and cast members. We just spoke to a couple folks from Imagineering, just thanking them, and they're thanking us. And it's just, this is wildly emotional. Here's the Walt statue. The walls are down. This is so cool. Look at this. You can see straight up through the Christmas tree now. I'll get a picture. You can go, look at that, Spenny. You can go all the way